Well, when I got to know that the song is with Pawan Kalyan, I know of him, I know of his popularity, I know the films that he has done. So obviously, I was very, very happy that I was going to be part of such a girl. I was very happy because I know I was being part of a wonderful project of a hero who's so loved and so reputed, and I was really glad to work with him till I met him on the set, and an extremely humble and extremely wonderful person to work with. When we only hear of how the heroes in the South have got such literally God status in the South, and I saw it with my own eyes over here, how the crowds love him, and the kind of response that he has. Very easygoing and made me very comfortable, so it was a wonderful experience. For me, being part of Gabbar Singh is very sentimental because it is a remake of Dabangg, and when Ganesh sir spoke to Arbaz and told him that he would like me to be part of the film and do the song, and I was aware of Parmeshwara Art Productions, and I immediately gave my consent because I knew I would be part of a wonderful production house, a very good banner, and I'm really happy that I am part of this song. It's an outstanding song. I love it. I've heard it many times. We all have been dancing and enjoying the song, and Ganesh sir has been an absolutely wonderful producer to work with, a delight to work with. Very, very humble again, and has gone out of his way to make sure that I've been comfortable, well taken care of, and I wish Parmeshwara Productions all the very best, and I wish Gabbar Singh all the very best. I have never met Harish sir. First time I'm meeting him, and he has so much of energy, so much of love for his craft. He's so involved with every single aspect of filmmaking. In fact, one would always say when you're doing a song, generally the dance director takes over and his whole team, which has been absolutely wonderful. But Harish sir has been there and made sure that he was overlooking every aspect of the song, and an absolute delight to work with. He would make sure that I was comfortable and easy with every step, with every movement that was given to me. And well, all I can say is that Gabbar Singh is KOKK, and I would suggest everybody out there watch the film. It's going to be a huge hit. I have all that faith, and go watch the film, enjoy it, and KOKK rocks.